Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to link Zwift to Garmin Connect. Open the Zwift application on your device, ensuring you are logged into your account. Navigate to the My Profile icon, typically found in the bottom left corner of your home screen. This first step is vital for setting up a seamless data transfer, allowing all your future rides to sync automatically and accurately to Garmin. Once in your profile, locate and select the Connections option. Here, you will see a list of various fitness platforms that can link with Zwift. Find the Garmin Connect logo, which usually appears alongside other popular services. Click on this logo to begin the authorization process. You will be prompted to enter your Garmin Connect login details to grant permission for data sharing, ensuring a secure link. After clicking the Garmin Connect icon in Zwift, a new browser window or an in-app prompt will appear. Carefully enter your Garmin Connect username and password into the provided fields. Grant the necessary permissions for Zwift to access and upload your activity data. This authorization is a crucial security step, making sure only approved platforms share your personal workout information. To confirm your connection is successful, start a brief Zwift activity, perhaps a short 1-minute free ride. Once completed, save your ride, then open your Garmin Connect mobile application or website. Your Zwift activity should appear in your Garmin feed within a few minutes, typically under 5 minutes. This quick check ensures everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.